next week is my little brother's birthday, and he wants me to get him a gaming laptop as a gift. Or did he say he would pay me back? LOL, I doubt it because he's not working. I think I'll have to check eBay to see if I can find a gaming laptop at a lower price since I just got him a MacBook this year. But before we continue, everyone, this is my first time here, so please show me some love by subscribing and turning on that notification icon to see some magic. Okay, there's no magic, but I'd appreciate your support. Thanks. Now, let's head to eBay and see what they have. He's a fan of Asus, so let's look for Asus TUF laptops. Wow, let's see if we can find some cheaper options. This one is priced at $499 for 8 GB of RAM and a Ryzen 5. Let's keep browsing, we might find a better deal. Guys, we finally found this one for a great price of $584. I got one at $499, but it had a battery issue, so I had to choose this one instead. It seems to have been used for a while, but it's still in good condition, so let's buy it and wait for it to arrive. The laptop is finally here. It took 5 days to arrive and it's in pretty good shape, so let's turn this mini beast on and check it out. It's on. Let's dive in and see the specifications of this laptop. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS level display that features a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth gameplay. It features an 11th Gen Core i5-11400H at 2.7 GHz with 6 cores and 12 threads. It also has 16 GB of RAM installed, which is worth the price. Additionally, it has a 512 GB SSD, and the graphics card is an RTX 2050 with 4 GB. You can also check the properties in the PC system settings. This laptop is a solid choice for its budget, but I think it needs a few upgrades to enhance gaming and multitasking performance. Let's power it down and add some upgrades. Before we do that, we need to remove some screws to access the laptop's internals. When you open this laptop, you will discover a large 90 watt-hour battery along with RAM and storage. I have 16 GB of RAM here to add to the existing 16 GB, making it 32 GB, which I believe will help him game better. I also have a 250 GB SSD that already has some games installed, which will save him some space, along with RAM and storage, 2 SODIMM slots for RAM, DDR4/DDR5, and 2 M.2 slots for SSDs, Gen 3/4. It also features a robust cooling system with multiple heat pipes, fans, and heat sinks for both the CPU and GPU. Alright everyone, we're done. Let's turn this on and start playing some games. But first, I got him a laptop cooler and some RGB lights. Quite impressive. As we consider upgrades, it's important to highlight that the Asus TUF Gaming F15, equipped with an i5 and RTX 2050, is a solid budget-friendly entry-level gaming laptop. I'm also giving him this keyboard that I bought, but never got the chance to use because I forgot about it. Let's quickly unbox these items and then we can start playing some games, guys. This light is from a brand I've never heard of, but I really like the lighting effects, so I decided to get it for my little brother. It has some really nice lighting effects and can be placed anywhere on your table. You'll find some manuals on how to operate this light in the box, along with some stands as well. You might be wondering why RGB lighting is essential in gaming setups. Many of us are not fully aware of its significance, so let me clarify. Gamers use RGB lighting in their PC setups primarily for enhanced aesthetics, personalization, and immersion, allowing for unique themes and visual flair. Additionally, it offers functional benefits such as creating atmosphere, reducing eye strain with bias lighting, providing visual cues for in-game events like low health, and even showcasing system health. While it may not be critical for performance, it transforms the gaming space into a dynamic, personalized environment, making the experience more engaging and visually exciting, especially for streamers. This RGB light includes a remote control that allows you to manage its effects, or alternatively, you can use your smartphone to modify them. This cooler was recommended to me by a friend, and it's supposed to be fantastic, so I had to buy one for my little brother to keep his laptop cool while gaming. Why do you need a laptop cooler? You need a laptop cooler to avoid overheating, which enhances performance by preventing thermal throttling, slowdowns, extends the lifespan of hardware by reducing stress on components, lowers fan noise, provides a more comfortable surface for your lap, and can even improve gaming by maintaining stable frame rates, especially for demanding tasks like gaming or streaming. It has 6 small fans and an RGB light surrounding it. If you're looking for the best gaming laptop cooler, your choice will depend on your specific needs. Top recommendations include the IETS GT500/GT600, known for its powerful sealed design, Llano V12 Ultra, featuring software control and strong sealing, Razer laptop cooler, ideal for Razer Blade users with HyperBoost, and Topmate C12, offering budget-friendly options with RGB flare. Key features to look for include powerful fans, an airtight seal, like foam gaskets, adjustable heights for ergonomics, USB ports, and dust filters to maximize performance and laptop longevity, especially during heavy gaming. Also, this keyboard was my first one, but I didn't get to use it because I got newer keyboards and forgot about this one. I kept it for a day's use, and today I've decided to give it to my little brother as a reminder of how much I love him. It's the Razer Black Widow Chroma version 2 mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is still quite expensive, selling for almost $100 on eBay. It features Chroma RGB backlighting, an ergonomic wrist rest, dedicated macro keys, and USB audio pass-through, offering 10-key rollover, on-the-fly macro recording, and Razer Synapse customization for a personalized gaming experience with customizable lighting and game integrations. The first game we're diving into is Apex Legends. I almost forgot to mention the MacBook I bought for my little brother this year. It's the 2016 Apple MacBook M3 12-inch with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. The speed is 1.1 GHz. It has built-in support for vision, hearing, physical, and motor skills, as well as learning and literacy, enabling users to create and do amazing things. This laptop runs Apex Legends effectively, typically achieving between 60 and 100 plus FPS. It often reaches high frame rates in less demanding areas, but experiences drops during major battles or in hot zones, largely influenced by settings, medium-high, cooling, and the specific i5/RAM setup, e.g. i5-11400H, 16 GB RAM. You can expect solid 1080p performance by balancing visuals and smoothness for competitive gameplay, but it's essential to manage heat for stable frame rates. When playing on low-medium settings, 1080p, you can anticipate 80 to 120 plus FPS in most areas, with drops to 60 to 80 plus during intense fights. Alternatively, if you opt for mixed medium-high settings, 1080p, you should aim for an average of 70 to 100 FPS, striking a balance between visual quality and performance. Key factors: the i5, e.g. 11th Gen, RTX 2050, 4 GB VRAM, and 16 GB RAM are well suited for Apex Legends, but thermal throttling may reduce FPS. My younger brother loves shooting games, so there's no way he's going to sleep once he gets this laptop. Guys, please subscribe if you've managed to watch this far. Purchasing a gaming laptop for your child provides incredible versatility for school tasks like coding, design, and video editing, ensures their technology is future-proof with high specifications for demanding applications, serves as a built-in stress reliever, and imparts essential tech skills, making it a multifunctional tool that goes beyond gaming. Let's play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and see how it performs as a budget gaming laptop. This laptop can also run Call of Duty Black Ops 6, achieving FPS between 40 to 70 plus, depending on settings. It targets 1080p with mixed medium/high settings, as the RTX 2050 is entry-level for newer games. However, the game's requirements are manageable, especially if you utilize DLSS/FSR for performance enhancements to achieve higher frame rates for smoother gameplay.
Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate.
An entire class of U.S.-Soviet nuclear missiles is eliminated. Means that the era of nuclear disarmament
It runs the game at 60 to 70 frames per second, which isn't too shabby for a budget option.
Wants Alawi alive.
Noted. Straight to the exfil point.
Yes. Do not consider.
5 minutes.
Alawi is a minister of defense and close to Saddam. His guys will be well trained and heavily armed.
Movement. Truck doors.
There's that shooting I remember.
Target down.
Morticom, keep pushing into the smoke.
Another one.
They'll know we're here soon. Be ready.
What's ahead? Let's do it.
The last game we're testing is FIFA 26, which he's a big fan of. If he sees FIFA 26 on his laptop, he's going to be over the moon, guys. For FIFA 26 on an Asus TUF F15 equipped with an i5 and RTX 2050, you can expect playable but not ultra high FPS, likely reaching 60 plus FPS at 1080p with medium/low settings. However, performance dips and stuttering are common, particularly with low-end CPUs, GPUs like this, necessitating game-specific optimizations such as performance modes, driver updates, and disabling overlays to enhance gameplay and minimize input lag for a better experience. Expected performance. For low-medium settings, aim for 1080p with medium-low settings to achieve 60 plus FPS, as the RTX 2050 is entry-level for modern games, and FC26 can be demanding. Potential bottlenecks. An i5, depending on generation, and RTX 2050 may struggle to maintain consistent frame rates, leading to stuttering, especially during intense moments or extended play. If he sees FIFA 26 on his laptop, he's going to be over the moon, guys. That's all for today. I bought a budget gaming laptop for my little brother's birthday and tested some games on it. If you're still watching, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon to catch his reaction when he sees this laptop in my next video. Thanks for watching, and we're out.